How to add Calendly to Squarespace. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you exactly how to do so. It is very simple, so let's just go ahead and get to it. So first, just go ahead and start things off by going to Calendly, sign up, and create your scheduling event. You can just go ahead and click on create here from the top right corner within scheduling, and you can just go ahead and set things up for the event one-on-one and just do the following steps. Set things up like information about the availability, the location of it, the duration, and all of these things. Okay, so once you're actually fully done creating your event within Calendly and it's ready, as you can see here, if you go to scheduling, you can see that it is ready. What you want to do is just click on the three dots right next to the name of it and click on add to website. Next up, you just want to click on inline embed and click on continue. And you simply just want to go ahead and copy the code in here. And by the way, you can feel free to adjust some stuff here if you did actually, subscribe. But I'm just going to use the default one and copy the code like so. And once we do that, we simply just want to go to Squarespace. In Squarespace, you just want to go to pages and find the page where you want to add it to. I'm just going to add it in here. Add a new section here at the top and click on add blank section. Next up, I'm just going to add block and use the code block, which should be down over here. And we can just go and double click on it and paste it right over here, like so. And that's pretty much all we need to do. Now I need to save and exit in order for me to see it. And it should actually show up the Calendly event that you actually have, as you can see. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.